Hey Instagram, Rick here from Futures Trading Coach. Here's the trades for Thursday, December 7th. We had an S&P long 2250 right here. Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today's Monday, March 19th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today in the room. In the room today, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 possibilities. However, one of them we really identified as not really quite being ready yet, so a lot of people stayed away from it. But for those who did, that was actually our loser today. But we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, small winner here, 6 winners. And I'm going to go through them here from left to right. First of all, from left to right, we did have a short here. However, we were short in the S&P if you look at the time. So we were not in that, unfortunately. That was a beautiful 70-plus tick trade in the crude. We did get long in the crude. I'm just going from, no particular time order from left to right. Long in the crude, and that was at 62.07. And that trade made up to 20 ticks. I did tell everybody if they wanted to wait for the pullback and not take this, they could, or hit them both. So some people hit that, and then when it came back, we got long around 61.95, 61.95, and that was a nice trade that I made from 95. About 30 plus ticks the second time around. Some people only hit that once. I mean, it was 2 different setups, but some people only hit it once because it was late in the day. And then in the ES, we had a beautiful trade first thing in the morning. We had a ZL trade first thing in the morning right there. Not first thing in the morning, but just before 9 o'clock. And that was at 27.34. 27.34.50, some people got it at 27.35, right down there when that wick, and when it came down here, we had a red candle, another red candle, and then they bought it up, and we expected buying there, and that was a nice trade. That one went almost 5 points, 5 points or so. That was a beauty there. Then what happened was I told everybody if it couldn't go up, they were going to come down. However, in this area, we were talking that it was a little bit early for it to go down. And I said it could come up first. And with all this volatility and stuff, you got to be a little careful. So some people got short here, and we took a stop there. That was 32.75. And those who took it, that was our stop out for the day. A lot of people didn't. First of all, the only way I said that you could take it would be half size or less than half size or half size. So anybody who was in it, and I just want to preface that because that's how we manage our trades. I mean, it's very important when we're getting into something that's a little bit more aggressive that we we don't load the boat, so to speak, with our positions. And if you're only trading 1 or 2, it's kind of hard to really go half size. So if anybody did take a stop there, it was on a small position. When it came back up here, those who were in got stopped out, and I told everybody if it comes back down, we're going to pound it because that means it's really coming down. And in fact, we did get the trigger over here as well. We were already in this trade when this triggered, so we didn't take it. But we did get short again at the 275, and you'll see that when it went down, and it made from 32.75. And again, not everybody got all of that, but from 32.75 down. Up to 15 points before the room closed, which we stayed later, but right around here. A lot of people got up to about 6, 7, 8 points on it, ran out of contracts and things like that, but you'll see it just went straight down, for at least the first 6, 7 points, and that was a beauty there. And then we tried an exhaustion trade. We actually tried it twice. I wasn't giving up because I didn't want to short anymore. We already hit this, and we were kind of late in the day, so we tried to hit a short or a long, an exhaustion trade at 68. 68.88, and that trade made up to 20 ticks. It made actually 25 ticks there. Because look at, these are 10-point spreads here, so that did make over 20 ticks. Now the problem is when you go to entry here, then your runner is going to be taken out at entry. So nobody lost anything on our runners after we get 20 ticks in, and you would have locked in whatever gains you had. And then we did the same thing down here. It was a little bit different of a setup, but it was an advanced trade, a death candle trade, right at 11 o'clock. And that trade made from 68.47 up 22 points, 23 points. So, over 80, 90 ticks on that trade. That was a beauty there. And that was the day. It was just a great day. And it continued in the afternoon. But we're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Until everybody, I want you to all have a great, safe day. And we'll see you back tomorrow, traders. Bye-bye.